हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर 7 अ विजिट टू अ बिस्किट फैक्ट्री। लेट्स रीड। नॉट अ सिंगल चाइल्ड इन द क्लास was absent that day because the students were scheduled to visit the biscuit factory. No books, no bags, only lunch boxes, water bottles, and writing pad were to be brought. There was a happy hum in the bus as they traveled towards the factory. It was a cheerful bunch of children that got off the bus. Ma'am, will we be allowed to taste biscuits there? Asked Raza, a shy 10-year-old boy. Ma'am, will we be permitted to buy some for home? Asked Sana. I guess yes, said Mrs. Ahmed. But you must promise to be on your best behavior and not let your school down. The students lined up and followed their teachers into the factory. They wished the staff on duty a very good morning. Take a deep breath, said Mrs. Ahmed. What do you smell? I smell chocolate. I smell oranges. I smell pineapple. I smell ginger. All the children shouted. You are intelligent kids, said Mrs. Ahmed. They were then guided into a spacious hall. The guide showed them the grinders. First, these machines were grinding sugar. Some were breaking nuts into small pieces. Other were dropping flakes of chocolates into large containers. For all these go into the biscuit mixture, said the guide. Further down the hall were massive mixers. They were mixing the flour, butter, sugar, and essence, or nuts, or bits of chocolate, or bites of chocolate, as was required. The mixture was then needed in another large machine made specially for this purpose. The kneaded dough was then pressed by rulers and cut into different shapes. The guide proudly informed them that all no stage were the biscuits touched by the workers. These people were only supposed to run the machines. Expert biscuits makers calculated how much of each ingredient was required for different kinds of biscuits. The children were led into another big hall which was full of fragrance of the baking biscuits. It what made their mouths watered. It was hot in the room as it had gigantic ovens through a large tube. From the other hall come the ready mixture to bake biscuits. They went the ovens were baked for just the right amount of time. In yet another hall the biscuits were being packed again by machines. The correct number of biscuits was first wrapped in waxed paper, then in a cardboard, then in the colored wrappers, which had the name of the biscuits. Each packet had the date of manufacture, shelf life, and content, and it moved along a conveyor belt into the hall. Finally, the packets were put into the cartons by workers. Now they were ready for distribution to all the parts of the country by road and rail. It had been an interesting and informative visit. The children were amazed at the neatness of that place, the sincere and coabbed workers. Each child was allowed to choose a packet of biscuit for them. They thanked their teacher for the trip. यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड मीनिंग्स हैं, आइए मैं आपको वो बताती हूँ। Absent, not present. Conveyor belt, a belt used to move things. essence, an extract of a plant, fragrance, smell, aroma, gigantic, enormous यानी कि बहुत बड़ी चीज़ को बोलते हैं हम. Feelings, needed, mixed and rolled, permitted, allowed, scheduled, planned, spacious, large, very big. Opposite words हैं. Words opposite: absent, present, gigantic, tiny, neatness, untidiness, permitted, disallowed, proudly, humbly, scheduled, unscheduled, spacious, small. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस हैं. क्वेश्चंस में आपको समझा देती हूँ. इनके आंसर्स आपको चैप्टर में से ही मिल लेंगे. नॉट अ सिंगल चाइल्ड वाज एबसेंट यानी कि वाई, कोई भी एक बच्चा एबसेंट क्यों नहीं था. व्हाट डिड द चिल्ड्रन आस्क मिस्टर अहमद अबाउट द मिसिस अहमद अबाउट द फैक्ट्री, बच्चों ने मिसिस अहमद से फैक्ट्री के बारे में क्या पूछा. व्हाट इंस्ट्रक्शन डिड मिसिस अहमद गिव टू द चिल्ड्रन, बच्चों को क्या हदायत दी मिसिस अहमद ने. डिफरेंट फ्रेगरेंसेस हिट द चिल्ड्रन नियर द फैक्ट्री, नेम दैम, कौन कौन सी बच्चों को चीज़ों की स्मेल आ रही थी फैक्ट्री के पास जाते ही, उनके नाम लिखें. व्हाट प्रोसेस आर अंडर टेकन ड्यूरिंग द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ बिस्किट्स, कौन सा प्रोसेस चल रहा था बिस्किट्स क्यों, मतलब किस किस प्रोसेस से गुजरता है बिस्किट का, जो उसको तैयारी में क्या क्या उसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में काम किया जाता है. हाउ आर बिस्किट्स प्लेस पैक्ड इन अ फैक्ट्री, कैसे मतलब कि उन्हें पैक किया जाता है फैक्ट्री में. वाई वर द चिल्ड्रन अमेज्ड एट द फैक्ट्री, मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान कन क्यों थे बच्चे फैक्ट्री में. व्हाट डिड ईच चाइल्ड गेट एज ही बोर्ड द बिस्किट, बोर्डेड द बिस्किट, बस है. हाय फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये स्टोरी अच्छी लगी होगी. मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़ स्टूडेंट्स. अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर 8 के बारे में, टेकिंग अ टूर. इसकी रीडिंग करवाऊंगी मैं आपको. लेट्स रीड. हाउस नंबर है यहाँ पे 727 आर एंड कॉली ओवर पास कराची. डियर साइम, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? आई होप यू विल बी फाइन. आई एम फाइन टू. I wanted to write you back earlier, but I could not because I was gone on a trip. I just returned recently. I must tell you that I have finally decided to visit the Hawks Bay at Karachi. The day has arrived for our family's day at the beach. My parents have been planning our family excursion to the beach since the summer holidays had started. Of course, I have been very elated when my parents had made the announcement that we are going to the beach this Sunday coming. So last Friday evening, my dad took some time off early from work so that mom and I can go to the grocery store and purchase everything that we are going to need on our trip to the beach on Sunday. There were so many things that we had bought for our family day at the beach, like snacks and refreshments and meats and rice, and so the list goes on. Now that the day had finally arrived, I was ready to spend a wonderful time with my parents at the beach. On Sunday morning, my mom and dad had been busy cooking the food in the kitchen while I helped pack the refreshments in a large cooler box with ice. By the time my parents had finished preparing the food, they had packed it into a large box with plates and spoons and forks. Then we had started packing everything into our family caravan. Soon in the next hour, we were driving through the main road and we were on our way to the beach, which is actually my favorite place in the world so far. The sea water was blue and beautiful as it sparkles in the warm sun. There was a few people here and there on the beach. Some were busy playing cricket while a few kids were building sandcastles just for fun. There were at least 3 or 6 people, for the most already bathing in the clear blue sea water. By the time we had gotten out from the caravan, I was already excited to go into the water and enjoy a fine sea bath. My mom had seemed to have read my mind, so she told me what that is it lunch first, and then we all can go into the water. The food was incredible, delicious. Baked chicken, lasagna, egg salad, and shepherd pie. It was truly an amazing meal that I have ever eaten so far. Then I drank some iced cool lime juice to wash it down. Well, I have to say that I was already enjoying our family day at the beach so far. After that incredible lunch, my parents and I relaxed like for half an hour until it was officially time to have some real fun. We all ran into the sea water and dived. The water was cool and wonderful that we stayed there until it was time for us to pack up and go home. It was 5 o'clock that evening when we all had packed up our belongings and put them back into our family caravan. As I sat in the back seat of the caravan, I looked out of the window to have a quick look at the clear blue sea water once more before we drove off. I could see that the sun was already setting above the horizon of the ocean, but I knew that some other day we shall return to enjoy another family day at the beach. I wish you could see that place so too someday. I will wait for your reply right soon. Love Rizwan. आई होप फ्रेंड्स आपको एक ये लेटर अच्छा लगा होगा जो एक लड़का है अपने फ्रेंड को लिख रहा है और वो अपनी सारी ट्रिप की सजेशन उसको बता रहा है. एक्सकर्शन आ शॉर्ट ट्रिप related aesthetically happy purchase by sparkle shining brightly with flash of light, incredible extremely belongings a person movable passions. Word opposite है cool hot excited depressed wonderful awful busy idle. आंसर द क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे. वो राइटर लीव राइटर कहाँ रहता था. व्हाट इज़ द लेटर अबाउट लेटर ख़त किसके बारे में था मतलब था. नेम अ फ्यू थिंग्स दे बॉट फॉर द ट्रिप. उन्होंने कुछ चीज़ों के नाम लिखे जो उन्होंने ट्रिप के लिए ख़रीदी. हाउ डिड द ट्रिप एंड. और ट्रिप का एंड बताना है कि अख्ताम उसका किस तरह हुआ. आई होप फ्रेंड्स आपको ये स्टोरी और रीडिंग अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर की तरफ आते हैं. हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है हमारा कर्ज हौसला. इसके बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं कि राइटर इसमें क्या है. लेट्स रीड. कर्ज इज़ द स्ट्रेंथ टू स्टैंड अप व्हेन इट इज़ ईजियर fall down and lose hold. It is a conviction to explore new horizons when it's easier to believe that we have been or told. Courage is the desire to maintain our integrity when it's easier to look the other way. It is feeling happy and alive and moving forward when it's easier to feel sorry for ourselves and stay. Courage is the will to shape our world when it's easier to let someone else do it for us. It is the recognition that none of us are perfect when it's easier to criticize others and fears. Courage is the power to step forward and lead when it's easier to follow the crowd. Their pleas resound. It is the spirit that places you on top of the mountain when it's easier to never leave the ground. The foundation of courage is solid, the rock that does not roll. Courage is the freedom of our mind, body, and soul. Word meaning है strength, the quality or state of being physically strong, desire, strongly wish for or want something, believe, trust, fears, show unnecessary concern about something. Integrity, the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles, lead, guide. Opposite words हैं down, up, happy, sad, forward, backward, top, bottom, alive, dead, new, old. क्वेश्चन आंसर की तरफ आ जाएं. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज कर्ज? ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन. हौसला या कर्ज क्या है, इसको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करें. व्हाई डज द पोएट सजेस्ट नॉन ऑफ अस इज परफेक्ट? कि हम में से कोई भी परफेक्ट क्यों नहीं है, क्या डिस्कस कीजिए इसके बाद स्टैंडर्ड के बारे में. यह व्हाई इज कर्ज इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट? कर्ज किस तरह अहम है ये भी बताएं. व्हाट डज इट मीन टू बी ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन? इसका क्या मतलब है टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन से. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, आपको रीडिंग और वर्ड मीनिंग वगैरह अच्छे से समझ आ गए होंगे, प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छे से आपको समझ आई होगी. मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब करके जरूर कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन बटन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा. लव स्टूडेंट्स. अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स. आज हम पढ़ेंगे रीजनल फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान के मजहबी त्यौहार. लेट्स रीड. E157 New Avenue, Moon Road, Lahore, 10th March 2019. Dear Maria, how are you? I hope your pet cat Simba and Coco are doing well. You must be anxiously looking forward to your spring vacation since you will get a lot of time to spend with your cats. Spring is almost here. You would have noticed wildflowers blooming on the roadside. By the third week of March, Lahore would be celebrating Jashn-e-Bahara. As you know, Jashn-e-Bahara is associated with spring. It is celebrated at the beginning of the season. It is a colorful festival where people wear bright dresses. A variety of flower stalls and displays are laid. My dairy festivals and celebrations bring people together. They may also have religious or historical significance. They provide information to young people about their culture, tradition, values, and beliefs. There are different festivals celebrated in different provinces of Pakistan. Let me tell you about some of the regional festival of Pakistan in this letter. In Balochistan, Sibi festival is celebrated in the last week on February in Sibi. It is a colorful festival with traditional sports, handicrafts, exhibitions, folk music and dances. Our northern province Khyber Pakhtunkhwa also had a lot of regional festivals. Archal is one such famous event which takes place in Kailash Valley of Chitral. It is celebrated by Kailash people dressed in bright colored cloth. It marks the harvest and wheat and barley and is a day of celebration. One of the biggest festivals of Pakistan is in the Shandur Polo Festival. It is an annual event held in July on Shandur Top in Chitral. Shandur Top is the highest polo ground in the world. During this festival, polo matches are played between the team of Chitral and Gilgit. Mela Charaga is celebrated by the people of Punjab at the shrine of the famous Sufi Shah Hussain. He lived in Lahore in 16th century. It is held for 1 week outside the Shalimar Garden of the Lahore. I am sure you must have heard about the National Horse and Cattle Show. It is held annually in Lahore. A variety of cattle is displayed at this show. Other activities include horse dancing, cattle racing, and polo matches. An important festival of Sindh is Jashn-e-Larkana. People of Sindh celebrate this festival in the last week of February in Larkana. The celebration includes traditional sports, exhibitions of handicrafts, folk music, and dance. I hope you have enjoyed reading my letter. Are now mindful of the lovely festival that are celebrated with passion all across Pakistan. Your loving grandmother. Next word meaning है associated, linked, exhibition, display, famous, popular. Harvest, the process gathering in crops, late, put something down, placed in mindful, aware of something. Traditional customs, shrine, a holy place associated with a scared person. Sufi or Muslim mystic. Word opposite है unactually, happily associated, disassociated, beginning, ending, celebration, grief, famous, infamous, mindful, heedless, significance, insignificance. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये रीडिंग और वर्ड्स मीनिंग अच्छे से समझ में आए होंगे। आपने इनको अच्छे से याद करना है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छे से आपने पढ़नी है और वर्ड मीनिंग भी अच्छे से याद करने हैं। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, हु वर सिम्बा एंड कोको, नेम द फेस्टिवल मेंशन इन दिस लेसन, डिस्क्राइब द शंदौर पोलो फेस्टिवल, नेम अनदर फेमस फेस्टिवल ऑफ पाकिस्तान, व्हेन इज इट सेलिब्रेटेड। यहाँ पे कॉलम दिया गया है, इसको आपने चैप्टर में से देख के आपने मैचिंग करना है इसको। आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये रीडिंग अच्छे से समझ आई होगी। मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।